press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
The demand for torque limits in the 17th edition wiring regs means this Ergo Plus VDE torque screwdriver set will be a vital part of your toolkit. Fully insulated for use on circuits up to 1000 volts AC and 1500 volts DC, each set is manufactured and repeatedly tested to 10,000 volts, achieving strict VDE, GS and EN 6900 standards. It also stops you under or over tightening terminal screws that could lead to arcing circuits, hotspots and damaged terminals. Precision torque control on switchgear and consumer units is essential. Torque settings between 1 and 5 Newton meters can be set quickly and easily. Unlock the collar, rotate it left or right to set the required torque, then lock the collar. During use, the torque limit can be felt and heard as soon as it's reached. The comfortable soft grip handle not only prevents your hand from slipping, it's also resistant to chemicals, oils and most solvents. 8 insulated narrow profile bits are included in each set, offering versatility across popular types of electrical screws. The auto-locking collar means bit changing is quick and easy too. This set is also compatible with the existing Draper Expert 965 screwdriver sets. So why risk breaking wiring rigs? Get an Ergo Plus VDE torque screwdriver set from Draper.
Next level. Next level. You feeling